Now let's go back to right here. So we just talked about the opt-in page. You won't have to generate that. And then we talked about the lead magnet, which is going to be the free course that you won't have to create. It's all going to be done for you. And the people are going to opt in and give you your email, give you their email address in exchange for that free course. And the software is going to send that information or give them access to the free course within the emails they receive after opting in. But one of the other things we talked about throughout this series is that you're going to need a bridge page. And on the bridge page, this is the page where you build trust between you and your prospect so they see the value in buying your main core offer. And just so we're on the same page, of course, the bridge page itself is also going to be done for you. You won't have to create that. So the next question is then, hey, Ronnie, how are we going to build our email list? Well, the software is going to also do all of that for you. Once someone lands on your opt-in page and gives you their email address in exchange for the free course, then the software is going to do all the following up and send out all the emails for you from within the software. And it's all automated. You won't have to do anything. You won't have to create it. You won't have to make sure that it's sending out. The software is going to do it for you. So the cool thing is you see all of these emails. You won't have to create these emails from scratch. All these emails are already pre-written and done for you from within the software, and they're going to be automatically sent out from within the software. And we've actually given you a full year of done for you emails that are going to send out to everybody who opts in and promote multiple different products in the software. So I want you to understand the power of that in itself. We're not going to be promoting just one affiliate offer. We're going to be promoting dozens of different affiliate products and programs to the same customer, and it's all going to be automated and sent out for you, and you won't have to create this. And also, we're going to be continually adding more products as time goes on. So by the time you see this video, there may be more other affiliate links that you could promote from within the software. So to help you see it and understand, if I go back to the affiliate link settings page, you're going to be able to add all your affiliate links into this software. Each one of them: Legendary Marketer, Secrets of Success, Wealth Warrior, System.io, and the list goes on and on. And like I said, we're always going to be adding more and more affiliate products and programs that you could promote as your own from within this software. Now, here's what's so cool about this. Even if you don't know what a lot of these different affiliate programs or products are, we've already taken care of all that as well, right? So if you notice right here, we've got different affiliate offers and products right here that are going to be going out through the email sequences. And what we've done, we've already created trainings for these different affiliate products that are going to go in the email sequences, training people that watch the videos, learning how to do affiliate marketing. But the cool thing is, when these people watch these videos and learn more about whatever tool, product, or software or service, and they click those links, you're going to get the credit for the commission. So here's an example. As you can see in one of the email sequences, you'll see that in that email, there's going to be a video that they can watch training on that particular product. But what's going to happen, the email isn't going to send them to our YouTube page, and if they click the link, I get the credit. It's going to send them to a different YouTube page that's going to have a YouTube video there that you won't have to create, but it's going to have your affiliate link on that page. So if they click the button and make a purchase, you're going to get the affiliate commission. And this happens all because when you put in all of your affiliate links on this particular page, it's automatically going to get inserted into all of those pre-made pages that are going inside of those emails. And when they click that link, that is how you're going to get the commission. Man, I truly hope you guys really understand what I'm saying. This program, this software is super powerful. Now, not only do we send emails on your behalf, but we also added text. So when someone opts into your email list, we're not going to only send the emails out on your behalf, but we're also going to send text messages. And one of the next questions we always get is, well, if you're sending all these emails and you're sending all these text messages, aren't people going to be a little bit annoyed by that? And the answer is yes. Some people are going to get annoyed. Some people are going to unsubscribe, but there is a certain way that we've created these email sequences to make sure that doesn't happen. And what we've done, we've proven this time and time again. And the reason being is because I don't just send email after email that that is promoting offer after offer after offer. So when I send out emails, I don't just send out the offer, but I also send out a free value email that has absolutely no links, just pure value for the customer. Then I'll send out an email with a link to a YouTube video that gives out more value, and then I'll send out an offer. And this is the system that has been working and has enabled me to build an email list of over 100,000 subscribers. And people still continue to open my emails because they know I'm going to give them value. And yes, I still continue to send out offers, but not only just offers, I'm also sending out some value with no strings attached, to where people get to know, like, and trust me, because I'm always sending out value alongside any offers. And that's why I'm excited about this software, because we've been able to prove this system at a high level. And now we're giving it to you.